Hey everyone, if the Scribd app isn't working on your phone, this quick guide will walk you through the most common fixes. Yeah, we'll go step by step so you can get the app working again without wasting time. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Scribd can stop loading properly if your Wi-Fi or mobile data keeps disconnecting. Try opening another app or website just to confirm your connection is working. Next, completely close the Scribd app and reopen it. Sometimes the app just freezes in the background and restarting it fixes the issue right away. After that, check if there's an update available. Older app versions can cause crashes, login problems, or loading errors. If you're using Android, clear the app cache next. This removes temporary files that may be causing glitches without deleting your account data. Now restart your phone or tablet. Yeah, this refreshes background processes and can solve random app problems pretty quickly. If Scribd still isn't working, uninstall the app and install it again. So, this usually fixes corrupted files or failed updates. And if nothing works, the problem might actually be on Scribd's side. You can check online to see if Scribd servers are down or under maintenance. Alright, those are the best ways to fix the Scribd app when it's not working. Hopefully one of these steps solved the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.